Hi beautiful people, and welcome back once again to my channel. Here is another mind-blowing video on how and what to do to be consistent with your content. Consistency is what a lot of content creators struggle with. I'll be sharing a few tips on how to stay on track and keep your content flowing. Step 1. Create a content plan. This should be like your roadmap. Write down a list of content ideas. Just everything that comes to your mind, write it down, because having a plan takes away the guesswork and ensure you always know what to create next. Step 2. Schedule your content. Set aside days and times to create, edit, and post your content. With the content plan you have already, set aside days to write scripts on those ideas you want to create content on. There are a lot of apps that can help you do that. You can also choose to film several videos in one day and use another different day to edit those videos. Try to edit videos on your own. It helps a lot. There are so many video editing apps that can really help you to achieve that. So now that you are done editing your videos, you now have content ready to go for weeks. You can decide to start posting daily or once every week. That is what a lot of creators do. They don't film every day. Rather, they use this method I just mentioned because it saves time and stress, especially on days you don't feel like creating anything. Step 3. Stay motivated. Remind yourself on why you started content creating in the first place. Always celebrate your small wins and enjoy the process as it goes. When you love what you are doing, staying consistent becomes a lot more easier. Always remember, consistency is key. I hope you all implement the steps I just mentioned. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.